Back in the days, we used to have a great number of Android 10 ROMs which were made for gaming and used to have such magnificent performance, such as 60 FPS gameplay, a better battery life, and also a whole lot of customizations which make the ROM gaming centric. So today we are also going to talk with such ROM which is obviously based on Android 10, and also this is something new called as Nusantara OS. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So at the very first time, moving toward the system, as you can see that we are running on the Android 10 version of the Nusantara Project OS, which is the latest build that is of version 1.2, having Android 10 version on top of it. Moving further, we got customizations called as Nusantara Wings, and the UI of this customization section is dope. As you can see, this has got some very new customization. Also, this also have some Nusantara Wing background customization, which you can set different type of customization option such as accent color, transparent, and many much more. You can customize the background of the Nusantara customizations the way you want without any issues, and this works pretty fine. Further, there is also called as select themes, where you can get all type of general themes which you get in other customizable ROMs. But in this ROM, there is something different. In this ROM, you will also get some feature called as transparent theme. This transparent theme is one of my favorite, and this is one of some of the different feature you will get in customization section of this ROM. Moving further, you will also get a whole lot of icon shapes from which you can select different types of icon shape of the choice you want, such as rectangular, circular, water droplet, and many much more. Also, you will also have different QS styles. You can select any of the style. As you can see, these are the different styles and many much more are included in this. Moving further in the miscellaneous, you will also get display cutout settings, where you can have 3 different types of display cutout and you can set any one of them of your choice without any issues. This is especially good for gamers, as you will get uninterrupted performance because the notch will be hidden and your controls will be separated and will be defined very much clearly, and you will able to play without any issues. So this is how all the 3 types of notch customizations works pretty fine and stable without any issues. Moving further in the theme section, you will have something like various types of accent colors, and you can select different types of accent color from the way you want, such as green, yellow, red, and many more. Moving further, you will also have some QS styles, where you can set different types of QS styles the way you want. Most of the customizations are pretty familiar with all the other types of ROMs, and you will also see in other ROMs, but some of them astonishing and new ones I am highlighting here. Further, you will also have different types of header image. You can select any of the header image. Again, this you will also see in many types of Android 10 ROMs which are highly customizable. In my case, I have kept the bootlegger's header image. You can keep any of the header image the way you want of your choice. Moving further, talking of the QS blur, you will also have option for blurring out the QS panels, and this also looks pretty dope. You can set how much opacity you want and how much transparency you need. In this way, you can set the transparency of QS style, and as you can see, it's completely transparent. Moving further is you will also get MIUI style brightness slider. Before this, MIUI brightness slider was included in the Mallu OS. Also, you will get customization such as hiding the brightness slider and keeping in the location where you want. Moving further is the navigation pulse. You will also get navigation pulse in this ROM, and this looks pretty dope. Whenever your music gets played, no matter whichever style of navigation bar you have kept, you will get various customization option with respect to navigation pulse, and this looks pretty dope and stable, and this works exactly the way your music plays, and this doesn't get lag or stutters. It plays exactly the way your music plays, and this works pretty fine and good. So let's move towards the gaming performance of this ROM, for which this ROM is specialized and this ROM is made for. Moving towards the gaming performance, then you will also get the gaming mode in this ROM. Obviously, as this ROM is made for gamers, you will get gaming performance and gaming mode enhanced. Also, you will also get a FPS mode tile where you can just switch on FPS information and you will get how much frames your game is getting when you start playing games on your phone. So at the very first time, we will be testing using Call of Duty Mobile, and let's see the gameplay. So moving towards the gameplay of this ROM, then as you can see that your frames are getting counted on the top left side of the screen, and you can see that it is getting fluctuated between 60 and 50 FPS. The gameplay of this ROM is pretty smooth and stable, and no lags and stutters were found while playing games on this ROM. As you can see, the proof of the gameplay I am showing to you right now. This is from the Call of Duty Mobile, and no matter however condition it is, you play in ambush or in an empty arena, you will not face any types of lags or stutters while playing games, and your entire gameplay will be super smooth, lag free, and you will enjoy your gameplay in all the aspects. Also, the gaming mode in this ROM is pretty good and enhanced. You will not even get any type of vibrations or any type of single notations or notifications. All of your gameplay will be distraction free, and you will enjoy gaming in this ROM no matter whichever game you play once your gaming mode is enabled. So another game we are going to test is PUBG Mobile. Most of them have famous PUBG Mobile gameplay. As you can see, I have also recorded gameplay of this ROM, and exactly the way you will also get to see the FPS information on the top left side of the screen. It is also getting fluctuated between 50 to 60 FPS, and the entire gameplay, as you can see, is pretty smooth and stable, and also in real time. I didn't face any types of lag, stutters or any type of jitters while playing. All of the components are getting rendered perfectly, and you will not get any type of distraction, exactly as I said before in COD Mobile. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, must hit the subscribe button and also like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out and share this video to everyone. These are some of the GeekBench score, and also this is the battery performance of the ROM. See you again in the next one. Peace out.